Correct people, we greet you now. Welcome now to this our channel. If na the first time when I waka jam this our channel, make una follow us, make una like our page, and make una help us to share our videos. Una know say na ogbonge updated news, breaking news, correct story. That we dey carry come for una for here. So if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una rush go subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we like say we drop updates, una go dey notified. Anyway, my people, make we enter the updates and the tori wey we carry come for una like this. Make una watch.
Yes, so my people, Julius Abure wey be the national chairman for Labour Party don come out come talk concerning this presidential election tribunal matter wey dey go on o. He talk say Nigeria go better very soon, say Peter Obi go become presido for Naija. Say na just time o. My people, I no go talk so much o. I go play una this video now make una lis ten to hear all wetin he talk and make una no forget to like and share. Make una watch.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are. I've just concluded my working visit in the United Kingdom. I'll be leaving UK today for the United States. I'm going to land precisely in Washington DC, and on the 28th I am going to have a town hall meeting and several other meetings in Washington DC. I'll be proceeding from Washington DC to New York City on the 28th, where from 29th to 31st and 1st I'm going to also have a lot of town hall meetings and several other scheduled meetings in the New York City. I'll be leaving New York City on the 2nd of September for Arizona, where I will have a town hall meeting on the 3rd, and we'll be leaving Arizona on the 4th back to Washington DC to en route Nigeria. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate all Labour Party members and obedient movement in the United Kingdom for the massive support and for finding time to engage me to participate in all the series of events. I'm really very proud of the UK chapter for that outstanding performance. I also want to seize this privilege to say that a new Nigeria is definitely possible. I do not want us to be deterred, to be discouraged by the temporary setback. I believe surely that Peter Obi will be president of Nigeria. I'm sure that the courts will do the right thing. And for us in Labour Party, we have put our hands on the plow and will definitely not look back. We are determined to continue this struggle until we reclaim the country, until the country is repositioned for effective service delivery. Until the country works for Nigeria, we will not rest on our horse. Thank you and God bless you.